Romantic getaways with your spouse are a necessary trip you must take once a year. Here are suggestions for romantic getaways this holiday season. Maui, Hawaii. Maui is the perfect blend between creative activities and remote destinations to explore with your spouse. During the holidays, the island has many celebrations to enjoy. Yosemite, California. Yosemite turns into Wonderland over the winter. Towering mountains are covered in blankets of snow. Pine trees and granite cliffs turns orange at sunset. Yellowstone National Park. Yellowstone is one of the most popular national parks in the U.S. and attracts well over 1 million people a year. Since the majority of these visitors come in the summer months, the best way to avoid the large crowds is to visit Yellowstone in the winter, where you can enjoy the snow, isolation, and each other. U.S. Virgin Islands. You and your spouse can retreat to a romantic Caribbean paradise this Christmas holiday to the U.S. Virgin Islands, where you can enjoy beautiful beaches and ideal weather conditions. In December, there are plenty of things to do, from can't-miss holiday events to discovering each island's unique culture and landscapes. New York, New York. New York is easily one of the most romantic places to visit over the Christmas holiday, with tons of Christmas decorations and romantic activities. You will have many events to choose from. Add this to your list of romantic Christmas getaways to spend with your spouse this Christmas. Happy holidays, everyone.